In this tutorial, we will introduce you to the AdvancedCut 18 NanoBlade saw from Bosch. The patented NanoBlade saw blades use a revolving microchain that follows the chainsaw principle. This eliminates the up-down movement that is typical of jigsaws and saber saws, allowing for vibration-free cutting. The chain is automatically tensioned by the SDS system. It is not necessary to sharpen or cool the blades. The blades of the handheld NanoBlade saws can be easily exchanged with other NanoBlade saw blades. They are quick and easy to change, and it is impossible to insert the saw blades incorrectly. The AdvancedCut 18 NanoBlade saw is characterized by its fast and precise sawing, and also makes it easy to carry out plunge and freehand cuts. Straight cuts of up to 65mm can be made effortlessly in wood, plastic and plasterboard. The protective cover, which is attached to the saw blade for transportation, can be easily removed before use and subsequently reattached for safekeeping, which ensures the preservation of the saw blade. The long lifetime of the microchain can be maintained by making a drawing cut. In order to minimize wear to the saw blade, guide the saw continuously through the material without applying firm pressure. The riving knife prevents you from using the tool from the reverse direction. During the sawing process, chips accumulate in the cap. These can be quickly removed by blowing on them briefly. When working on harder materials, the use of a rocking motion helps the progress of the saw, as well as ensuring the long lifetime of its blade. For plunge cutting, the saw should be inserted into the material by positioning and tilting the saw plate. Do not plunge the top of the saw blade forward into the material. The hanger loop also makes it easy to store the AdvancedCut 18 during and after use. Do not wear this loop around your wrist. The rechargeable battery is compatible with all Bosch Home and Garden range tools of the same voltage class. The AdvancedCut 18 is ideal for quick and easy work in and around the house. It is recommended for all straight cuts where a high cutting speed and working time take priority. Now you're ready to have some fun with the AdvancedCut 18 from Bosch.